This is Enceladus, the sixth largest moon of Saturn, a small world orbiting a giant planet. But don't let its seemingly insignificant size fool you. When the Cassini space probe discovered massive cryovolcanic plumes erupting from its south pole, this small world brought the entire scientific community to a standstill. What was going on? Flying through these icy jets allowed us to get a little closer to the answer. The probe discovered evidence of water, organic molecules, and a hidden ocean filled with hydrothermal vents. However, in 2017, Cassini ran out of fuel. As it plunged into Saturn, it took with it our only means of studying Enceladus, leaving behind countless unanswered questions. Does it have a global ocean? What exactly is happening beneath the surface? And most importantly, could it harbor life? Despite the decade that has passed, we have not yet returned to Enceladus, but the science has not stopped. The James Webb Space Telescope has turned its attention to this moon, and researchers are still analyzing the data sent back by Cassini. Fortunately, we have found more answers than you might think. Today, we return to this surprise in the Saturn system, explore the incredible chemical complexity hidden beneath its surface, and reveal how 10-year-old data is still producing astonishing results. At just 500 kilometers in diameter, Enceladus is a small world. It is similar in size to the state of Arizona. It orbits 238,000 kilometers from Saturn, where the Sun is merely a distant spark, and the surface temperature averages around a bone-chilling -2 degrees Celsius. All of this makes Enceladus extremely difficult to observe. It was discovered in 1789 by William Herschel, and spotting it required the largest telescope ever built at the time. The telescope built by Herschel and his sister Caroline was so innovative that polishing its mirror took more than a year. Despite this, Enceladus appeared to be nothing more than an ordinary icy rock. The telescope was so advanced that this remained our perspective of Enceladus for nearly 200 years. However, everything changed in the 1980s with the flybies of Voyager 1 and Voyager 2. The images they sent back did not show the flat, featureless surface we expected. Instead, they revealed smooth and crater-free regions. This indicated recent geological activity. Most intriguingly, Enceladus was located in the densest part of Saturn's E-ring, suggesting that the moon was somehow feeding the ring with material. Was Enceladus alive? The mysteries revealed by Voyager made this moon a high-priority target and led to the planning of the Cassini-Huygens mission. Cassini was launched in 1997 and reached Saturn in 2004. This mission produced more than 4,000 scientific papers, but the greatest excitement came in early 2005. Cassini captured images of massive geysers erupting from Enceladus into space. These plumes were ejecting 250 kilograms of water and ice per second. This was definitive proof Enceladus had an atmosphere and active geology. NASA changed Cassini's trajectory and ordered it to pass just 50 kilometers above the surface. The goal? To search for signs of extraterrestrial life. According to NASA, life is a self-sustaining chemical system capable of Darwinian evolution. When searching for this on Enceladus, scientists look for 4 things: liquid water, energy, chemicals, and time. First, liquid water. Cassini's images showed intense heat at the South Pole and fractures known as tiger stripes. This indicated the presence of a liquid ocean beneath the surface. Although it was initially thought to be small, further analysis revealed that it is actually a global ocean covering the entire core. In 2025, another discovery was made. The North Pole was also 7 degrees Celsius warmer than expected. This showed that Enceladus generates more internal heat than previously thought. So where does this energy come from? Radioactive decay is not enough. Instead, tidal forces, Saturn's gravity, create internal friction, generating heat. Additionally, water seeps into the rocky core, heats up, and forms hydrothermal vents. Studies in 2022 showed that the ocean's salinity is similar to that of Earth's oceans. This indicates water-rock interactions and the presence of hydrothermal vents, which are linked to the origin of life on Earth. Cassini also detected hydrogen and complex organic molecules. In 2022, phosphorus was discovered as well. This means all the essential elements for life: carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, phosphorus, and sulfur are present. Further analyses revealed even more complex molecules: carbon dioxide, alkanes, alkenes, and more. This is evidence of active chemical processes. The final critical factor is time. Have these processes lasted long enough? This is where the James Webb Space Telescope comes in. Observations showed that plumes from Enceladus's south pole can reach up to 20 times the size of the Moon itself. It was also found that these plumes affect Saturn's atmosphere. These particles become ionized, forming plasma that interacts with the planet's magnetic field. The resulting structures, called alpha wings, can extend for hundreds of thousands of kilometers. Recent research shows that Enceladus's heat is balanced by energy from its core. This suggests that the ocean may exist for a long time, providing enough time for life to emerge. New missions are also being planned. The European Space Agency aims to land on Enceladus in the future. Additionally, the JUICE mission will study Jupiter's icy moons. Perhaps the most interesting idea is sending a nuclear ice mole that melts its way through the ice. If signs of life are found on Enceladus, it would show that life may be far more common in the universe than we thought. Perhaps life is not rare. Perhaps, under the right conditions, it is inevitable.
Thanks so much for watching my video. I really appreciate you taking the time to be here. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to leave a like and consider subscribing. It really helps the channel grow and keeps me motivated to create more content like this. Also, if you want to be notified right away whenever I upload a new video, make sure to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks again for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.